The current design of India's AMCA Mark I fifth-generation fighter jet features a 23mm internal cannon. However, the impact of the internal cannon on the aircraft's performance and its relevance in current dogfighting scenarios are being carefully examined, and it will be thoroughly studied before deciding on its inclusion in the final production variant of AMCA. This cautious approach is due to the concerns raised by various stealth programs worldwide, which have opted to exclude cannons to avoid potential damage to the fuselage, which often affects the stealth characteristics, unless the damage is repaired or repainted, which takes time and leads to downtime of the aircraft. The utilization of internally mounted guns on stealth fighter jets such as the F-22 and F-35 has presented challenges, and Pentagon reports have confirmed that cannons have become inaccurate over time, and their use has led to troubling cracking issues. In light of these concerns, the Chinese J-20 stealth fighter does not feature an internal cannon, and Turkey has also made a similar choice with its TFX. South Korea has extended an offer to India for its advanced KSS-3 Batch 2 submarine that represents a significant advancement over its predecessor, including an 10 vertical launching system for submarine-launched cruise missiles and significant enhancements in combat management systems, sonar capabilities and firepower. This offer arrives at a time when Germany is also competing in India's P-75I submarine acquisition program. South Korea's emphasis on domestically developed and sourced components in the KSS-3 Batch 2 submarine presents several advantages for India, since it enhances the submarine's operational reliability by reducing potential vulnerabilities associated with relying on foreign suppliers. The KSS-3 Batch 2, equipped with their independent propulsion and lithium-ion battery, meets all the technical requirements set by the Indian Navy, and it is the lone bidder in Project 75I, while Germany has issues with liability clauses in the Project 75I tender, and is trying to secure a deal through a government-to-government contract. Media reports suggest that after Malaysia and Argentina, Egypt is also favoring the Korean T-50 jet over India's Tejas fighter jet, raising questions about the export prospects of the Tejas program. The T-50 has been jointly developed by Korea Aerospace Industries and Lockheed Martin, that has the capability to simulate various combat scenarios, which have made it an attractive option for several countries. Despite significant progress in its development and operational deployment with the Indian Air Force, the Tejas has faced challenges in securing international buyers. Experts have said that the performance, operational capabilities and competitiveness of Tejas in terms of cost and technology must be effectively communicated to potential customers to overcome the skepticism that often accompanies the purchase of domestically developed defense equipment. Newspace Research and Technologies has unveiled the development of a swarm of drones with autonomous capabilities for forest penetration. A prototype has already showcased the early progress made in forest penetration, and the company aims to deliver the first swarm-based product evolution in this class by the end of 2023. These innovative drones are equipped with GPS-denied abilities that are set to revolutionize complex military and civilian missions. The drones feature cutting-edge localization, artificial intelligence-based navigation, cooperative mission autonomy, object detection and sense avoid techniques that will act as pathfinders and scouts, and will play a crucial role in tasks such as counter-insurgency operations, humanitarian assistance and disaster relief operations. Ahead of Prime Minister Modi's visit to the United States, a powerful U.S. congressional committee has recommended to strengthen the NATO Plus by including India. The NATO Plus is a security arrangement that brings together NATO and 5 aligned nations: Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Israel and South Korea, to boost global defense cooperation. Bringing India on board the NATO Plus would facilitate seamless intelligence sharing between these countries, and India would access the latest US military technology.